What's up, my friends? Welcome back. So this weekend marks the end of a huge trading month for me. The 10K account is now up more than 100%, about 4,500 more, and I can use it as a day trading account. Now remember, every play I made on this account, I either posted a YouTube video about prior, or I posted under the verified plays in the OU community subreddit. So we're just gonna go over my top 5 winners and losers this week and just go through what went wrong and what went right with all these trades. Because there's one thing every losing trader in the world has in common, and that's that they don't learn from their mistakes. So let's just get into it. At the beginning of this week, we absolutely crushed it with a play on Zoom, dedicating about 5K in buying power to pull out about $1,300 the very next day after earnings. I actually did a whole YouTube video on this company prior to earnings, but the basic recap is that this company has seen exponential revenue growth and there was no reason to expect it to stop. After reporting earnings, Zoom saw an almost immediate 50% increase in share price. Honestly, my only regret with this play is not just frickin' sending it. I should have sized up my position and went for some calls. The next big play was Domo, which I called out in verified trades in the OU Discord. I ended up going for a put credit spread and got exactly the pre-earnings run up I wanted. However, this play did get a little sweaty in that market-wide sell-off Thursday. So I ended up taking profit before the spread expired and just locked in a 1K gain. The final big win of the week I want to go over is this play on Broadcom. Every chip maker in the market has pretty much been killing it, and there was no reason to expect Broadcom to be any different. Now this one got real sweaty in that Thursday sell-off, as the position was almost immediately crushed. But we got the earnings result we wanted, and the next day Broadcom rallied, giving a clean exit and a nice $900 gain. My first real big loss of the week was on Momo, a Chinese social media company. Now, I did a whole video about why I thought they'd beat earnings, and it just did not work out that way. Momo got crushed. This company just has not been able to recover since the economic onset of the COVID crisis. Unfortunately, this means my $300 in calls pretty much evaporated. Now, my biggest loss actually came from hedging with SPY puts. During the Thursday sell-off, my positions were being absolutely crushed, and I had to make a decision on whether to stop out of them or hedge. To avoid being flagged as a pattern day trader, I opted to load up on short-dated SPY puts, thus neutralizing the overall delta on my portfolio. When I finally saw some market-wide stabilization, I was able to sell off the puts and minimize my losses at about $500. And even though this ended up being my biggest loss, I honestly can't say I regret it. In the long run, hedging was the right move here and minimize my potential losses. Alright guys, that's it for the recap. Make sure to sub so you can get all of my plays as soon as they're available. If you need a good broker, a fast source of news, or a good source of options flow, make sure to check the description down below for a referral link. Also, if you'd like to join the OU Discord, it's completely free. Also, a link down below. Thanks for watching. I'll have another video ready for you tomorrow. Now let's make some money.